Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Jabra Elite 85T to your iPhone device. So in order to do this, first let's open Bluetooth on our iPhone. Here make sure that it's on, hold your finger onto it and then enter Bluetooth settings. Now we can open case for our Jabras. Take them out. And here we can see them, so let's click on it. And that way we'll pair these earbuds with our iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.